Welcome back to another video of the GeoGardens YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about leaf lettuce. Early curled Simpson leaf lettuce is the type that I am growing in my 3-gallon fabric grow bag. And yeah, I might have harvested a little too early, but as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong, the more you pick, the more it produces. Now, just a little bit of knowledge that I've done, or that I've gotten by doing my research on leaf lettuce, is sometimes they come out bitter, but I know like if you harvest them in the morning is the best time to harvest your leaf lettuce because it's cool. The cooler weather helps it stay crisp and sweeter. And if you harvest it in the warm, you'll notice that they're a little bit more wilted and they probably taste bitter. Now mine, I did harvest a little early, so they did taste a little bit bitter, but not actually that bad. And I just picked enough off just to have a little snack, and the girls obviously loved it, and so did I. And also, yeah, I like I said, I did pick them a little too early, but harvesting them when they're at least 6 to 12 inches long is probably better. But like I said, I was excited, my first harvest, and it was good. Now, another thing that I've come across and that I've learned is if you don't have a salad spinner, and if you have like a lot of lettuce or salad stuff to spin dry, a plastic bag works actually pretty good, and I was well surprised that it came out the way it did. Now, like I said, I only had like barely a handful of lettuce, and I tried this plastic bag salad spinner thing, and it worked. It dried my lettuce after I washed it, and it worked wonders. So let's go out, and I'm gonna show you how I harvested my lettuce and kind of walk through what I did. Alright, so first of all, beautiful morning, little overcast, but still not too bad. This is about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm using scissors to cut my lettuce out. Now, you don't have to use scissors or kitchen shears. You can just pick them off, but my plants, like I said, are pretty small still, and if I were to pick them and uproot them, then I would have lost that plant. So I'm in there snipping away, and like I said, I only got like barely enough to call a handful. Alright, so yeah, here's what I got. This is it, just a little bit cute, but hey, I was excited. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna give this a rinse and try it out. Alrighty, into the sink we go, under some nice cold water. Rinse it, swoosh it around a little bit, and then now let's try drying this in this plastic bag method. So basically, you just drop it into the bag. You can probably double bag this up, but my bag didn't have any holes in it, so I wasn't too worried about it. And yeah, and then you just kind of look a little funny doing it, but it actually works pretty good. And then we'll open it up here. Now, like I said, I only had a little bit of lettuce, so there is still a little bit of water on mine, but not too bad. I mean, considering it was, you know, soaking wet, dripping, so not bad. Overall, I think this leaf lettuce is actually pretty good. I mean, the kids just enjoyed it, and then before I could even have a taste test, you know, they were almost eating it all. So I was like, no, I gotta have some too. So and I did, and it actually did taste pretty good. Like I said, just a little bit bitter, but I mean, I think that's just because I harvested a little too early. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. First harvest, first season of growing in a grow bag, and did good. So if you do found any value in this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one more quick question. Wild mushrooms that just grow out of the ground, does anybody know if that is suitable for a compost? If you know, please leave a comment down below, let me know, and thanks in advance.